A paradise setting on Lake Tetonka comes with this well-maintained townhome. Whether you're soaking up outdoors on the patio or sitting indoors, the views of the lake are all around. Sit back and enjoy the simple pleasures of lake life while the well-managed association takes care of installing and taking out the 2 own docks, lawn care, snow reoval and liability insurance. In-ground sprinklers keep your lawn luch and green. You will find tasteful finish throughout this townhome, mission-style doors, ample kitchen cabinets and large island, which makes this home great for entertaining with a patio placed right off of the living room. Main floor master bedroom with pass-through bath that includes double sink, whirlpool tub and separate shower. Main floor laundry and impressive staircase to upper level, which includes an expansive loft area with upper veiws of the lake. The upper level also provides for second bedroom, office that doubles as third.